kept it a secret. Yeah, my negotiations with Alberto about buying that catamaran and moving out of Garapan, the monohull. Why? I'm tired of pretending that everything is fine, no problems, and keeping a positive attitude like this.
Well, it's the new year. And with the new year comes new problems. Yep. My dinghy seems to have sprung a leak. I'm gonna have to look into that. My radio jack's not working, so people can't come here and plug their phones into the sound system. So I'm gonna try to get that fixed, as well as the USB port. And my new little sound system that I've been using to do my videos with, a little portable boombox. The charger port has broken off of it. So I'm off to the electronics store. Hopefully they can fix that. Happy New Year!
Then there was this never-ending problem. Again, I'm pretending to be upbeat.
Well, I got my boom back and I'm super happy. Did a pretty good job. It took forever. It's not the prettiest, but it's gonna hold. Now the only thing I'm gonna touch up on that is that the stainless steel screws he screwed into the aluminum piece he welded on, take them out first with a ratchet wrench, and then I'm gonna screw them back in this cuff called Tef Gel. That will insulate aluminum from the stainless steel. This stuff works pretty well. It was really expensive. I got it a long time ago in France, but it works, and this will help, hopefully, in any corrosion problems in the future. The other thing I'm gonna do is that I had a messenger when I gave him the boom to pull through my reefs. Well, that messenger is gone, which is not a problem. So I'm gonna try to finagle something with a piece of fishing line and a weight. Probably drop it from the top, from the boom, and down here into Garapan's insides, and hopefully drop this fishing line as a messenger, and I can pull the rest of my reefing lines that way. So this way I should be able to get the messenger in here, drop it down with the lead weight. And there is my messenger, guys. Going through. There we go. Just cut off the weight and the messenger is through. Now I just need to get this bad boy up there, up on the mast. Solar Sailor, can he do it? Damn right I can do it. I can do anything.
That's what I keep telling myself. You can do it. Go for it. No problems, only solutions. Give it a good lube job. Grease the palm. Do what you gotta do. Don't complain.
I'm gonna grease this up a little bit.
Hey, even expose yourself. Look up. Are you looking up my shorts? Well, stop that. I've got to be upbeat again. You ready?
Check this out, it's in. Now I just need to put on the sheet. Just got to remember how it goes on. I may have to look at a video to remember. Looks pretty darn good. Yeah, it looks all good, man. And even this thing was holding out good. Kind of worried about this thing. Nope. Totally holding out, man.
Okay, so I'm kind of proud of myself here. But then again, there was the bummer side of the story.
I went for a swim today. Actually, I went for a dive. I lost a screwdriver down there. And it was a good screwdriver that I liked. Took me about 5 dives. And I was able to find it. It was down there. Pretty happy with my boom and stuff so far. Still got a ways to go. I'm gonna put in the sail, reefs, all that stuff. And also I put in my stanchion. It's kind of hard. It's a little bent and twisted. It's not perfect. Little things, but I'm really glad that I got that stanchion all fixed up. And my boom. Now I'm just gonna put away all my tools and eat a little grub.
Yes, I'm gonna eat something. But now I'm gonna let you in on my secret. Hold on, big changes coming.
Alberto, I'm interested in this boat.
I recommend you this Lagoon 42.
Yeah, can you give me a brief run through?
Yeah, of course.
What I would be buying and how all my
well, you can be the
supporters would be helping me buy it because I'm so rich from my YouTube channel lately.
Pues now it will be the cockpit of the catamarans.
Yeah.
You know, people from catamarans sometimes they look from another world because they travel more fast. They have more space.
Yeah.
2 engines.
Yeah.
And that gives you a lot of capabilities, or I don't know how you will call it.
Yeah.
But Lagoon 42, the catamaran who lagoons make more sense of all their models. This one is
Lagoon 42, okay.
Lagoon 42.
Yeah.
Show a little bit very
This is-
configuration, a little
that.
drive, one main sail, full button,
Nice modern.
2 engines
Style.
Yamaha, 56 horsepower.
And everything's working perfectly.
Everything is working perfectly. We didn't have any problem. Okay? 2 fridges. Alex, look, when you're going to cross the Atlantic, please get sure you make enough vegetables and
Oh, yeah,
fish.
okay, you're ready
It's
to go.
nice. The people of the
You're ready
catamarans
to
we
go.
like.
Where did
Yeah.
you find the avocados?
The avocados we bring
Here?
them? No.
Okay, they don't have them here. They're hard to find
From
here.
Spain.
Yeah.
Sí, okay. Take, if you want. Regalo, presente.
Ooh, oh, it's ready too. I love it.
Ser más, vegetables. Yeah, we are ready.
Oh yeah, you're ready. There's only
It's a
3.
delivery boat.
Yeah.
San Martin, Cabo Verde, San Martin.
Guayabana.
See, it's good. We never tried it.
It's like an apple.
See, that's Victor.
Pero, hola,
Is
Victor.
our
Buenas
Mexican
tardes, sí.
captain.
Yeah.
See, we have two sides, the Mexican side and the Spanish side in this catamaran. You know? But here is the international area.
Ah, okay,
Exactly. This side will
Yeah.
be the side of the owner.
Yeah,
That
okay,
is
okay.
where is living Victor now. Victor, podemos mirar dentro. Camarote, you know,
Yeah, okay.
of the armador. If you decide to get one of these days Amore like this lagoon.
Oh,
for you,
yeah.
See, imagine.
Hey, Wendy, would you like this? You think there'd be a nice bed for me and you? Or just for you? And your own bathroom. Wow. Giant bathrooms, eh? Yeah, these cats are nice. I think I'm gonna buy this. What do you guys think? Should I buy this? Cheap. Look, there's even a window out to the sea here. So the other side is the same thing.
Yeah, but there is 2 camarotes
Okay.
with 2 bathrooms.
Ah, wow, cool.
See, 2 showers, 2 bathrooms. In the front, there is 2 little beds more.
Wow,
See, and that little window from there.
wow.
See, so it's
These are big, man.
yeah.
Yeah,
It's very different than to go in a sailboat. No?
yeah,
You run more comfort, and more space.
yeah.
Yeah, this we are now making some configurations in the last minute
Yeah.
before the departure.
Yeah.
But well, we are ready. It's
Yeah?
important. Yeah.
Cool.
The mind is ready. It's important. Exactly. Pues nada, Ale.
Yeah, man.
Here is
I'm gonna
the.
miss Alberto. It was great to meet him.
Thank you,
In the party with him and
Alex.
hang out.
Sí.
It was cool.
Chevy,
Chevy.
ven, Chevy.
Chevy, were you impressed by it?
¿Qué te ha parecido el youtuber? Sin palabras.
That's cool. That was cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nice.
All right. You're
Nice
coming
times.
back.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. Thank you, Alex.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you next
but
time.
don't tell too many people. We don't want too many white
No,
people
no,
to come here
fuck.
and screw up this
Yeah,
wonderful
oh,
place.
no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, and the white people who comes, that they respect the place and
Yeah.
Yeah, they have to
And the
respect
locals.
Uh-huh.
yeah,
Exactly.
for sure.
Okay.
Okay. Alex, hey, you gonna buy the catamaran or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
can make a good price. Okay, don't worry.
Yeah.
glad to meet you, and I hope your dream come true, and maybe we make a deal and you buy the catamaran. We'll see. Okay, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers,
Okay.
man.
My dream come true. A catamaran. Like this beauty docked here at the marina. Look at that. What a vessel. And me, I could sit at the marina bar and proudly look at my beautiful boat, watch people who walk by in awe of my amazing catamaran. What a life. Yes, I'm gonna buy this catamaran and be a cool catamaran sailor cruising the Caribbean. I'm gonna get rid of Galopin and move on up.
Not. I'm not trading in Galopin for a catamaran. No friggin' way. Got you. Don't believe what you see on videos. Don't believe what you see in the news. I can manufacture, anybody can manufacture the truth with video. Huh? I'm not buying that catamaran. I'm staying on Galopin because Galopin's my dude. Right, Galopin? We're sticking together. We got places to go. We got people to take with us. Galopin, I'm not letting you down because you've never let me down. You're the man. Peace out. Galopin sail is almost it's all straight. What a nice curve for my sail. I know it's old, all patched up. That's my sail. That's the original one. That's how it should be. Catamaran likes his original stuff. Maybe someday we'll make you a new one. For now, we're using this.
Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Galopin. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken. And I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.